Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are serious about software development, you are going to face the ultimate crossroads at some point. Do you commit to the JetBrains ecosystem, or do you build out Visual Studio Code? This is the biggest debate in programming, and today I am breaking down exactly which one is the absolute best environment for your specific workflow. Let's jump right in. Let's talk about JetBrains first. This company makes purpose-built, heavyweight integrated development environments for specific languages, like PyCharm for Python, WebStorm for JavaScript, and IntelliJ for Java. The biggest advantage here is the out-of-the-box experience. When you load up a massive enterprise project, a JetBrains IDE understands your entire codebase instantly. The refactoring tools are incredibly safe. The built-in database tools are top tier, and you do not have to spend hours hunting down plugins just to make your code run. However, all that power comes with the cost. These IDEs consume a massive amount of your computer's memory. They can take a while to launch, and for the professional versions, you are locked into a paid yearly subscription. On the other side of the ring, we have Visual Studio Code. This is the lightweight, wildly popular text editor that you can turn into a powerhouse by installing extensions. The absolute biggest advantage of VS Code is its blazing speed and ultimate flexibility. It opens in seconds, and if your project has a React front-end, a Python back-end, and some C++ microservices, VS Code handles every single one of those languages beautifully in the exact same window for completely free. The main trade-off is that you are responsible for building your own IDE. You will definitely spend time configuring JSON settings, testing different extensions, and tweaking your environment before it feels as cohesive as a JetBrains product. So which one is actually the best? It completely depends on what you do every day. If you are a dedicated back-end engineer working in one primary language on massive enterprise systems, spending the money on a JetBrains IDE will save you hours of headaches and pay for itself in productivity. But if you're a full-stack developer juggling multiple languages, you want a lightweight editor that respects your RAM, or you just love customizing your setup to the absolute limit, Visual Studio Code is the undisputed champion. If this breakdown helped you decide where to write your code today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know if you are Team JetBrains or Team VS Code, and I'll see you in the next one.